Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cabernet and this is Whitaker's Way. This video is in collaboration with a bunch of ladies that you see here, as well as we will have a playlist in the description box down below. Feel free, if you need more motivation, to check out the other videos that will be in the playlist. I hope this video gives you the motivation that you need to clean out your fridge during this New Year's, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. But now, no it's no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. But now, no it's no more, no. We don't know, no it's no more. We don't know, no it's no more. We don't know, no it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no it's no more. We don't know, no it's no more. We don't know, no it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.
Okay guys, so since I've added the food back in, I'll just let you know here what I've done. I wiped down the fridge, I dried it with a paper towel, I added back my Lipton grape tea, the kids' drinks. This is coffee flavor, this Tropicana juice, also some hot sauce, some Braun, cough syrup, it's Japanese version, makes you really drowsy, some Italian dressing, I have some mayo back there, butter, and tuna. And my fridge does not have a lot of groceries in it. I ended up throwing away a lot of things that we didn't use because food goes bad really fast in Japan. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the other ladies in the playlist. Here's some salad that I'm showing you. It's pretty much chopped cabbage is what you'll find in Japan if you ever visit or come here if you're looking for salad. And it's going to be a very small bag. That is a cake I'm showing you. In Japan, you get eggs in the amount of 10 each, not 12. I have some strawberries, some chicken, some salmon that says Merry Christmas, shrimp, and some little tiny drumettes back there as well, and one hot dog. So this is all fresh and it will probably last about 3 days here in Japan. And yeah, if you really like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. I really needed to clean out my fridge. It's been a long time, and like I said in the beginning of the video, you should clean out your fridge every 3 to 4 months, as I did, taking everything out, wiping everything down with some bleach, some soap, some water, or if you have Mrs. Meyer's, you can use that too. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll be using this video to motivate me to clean out again. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
They won't disappear, they will let you down, so we better stick together. Let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right